Mix this here. It's five parts to one, so I recommend a scale when you go to mix this to make your pot. All right. You only want to mix what you're going to use, okay? Because after an hour, the pot's done. Right. It needs to be set aside and let it dry off, basically like a hockey puck, and then you can throw it out in the trash. Okay. Always wear safety glasses when you're working stuff. Just liquid, anything splashing in your guys' eyes. I'm wearing glasses, so I'm okay. This stuff does not come off your hand very soon. It takes a while. It takes like a week.
Nitro gloves, good?
Yes, even rubber gloves. That's what we're the ones we have here, but unfortunately they're too small.
Okay.
Latex gloves?
Yeah, I'll get you some. We got it on mine.
Okay,
Yeah,
great.
extra large?
Large? Large or extra large? As you can see, it's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Always want to keep it closed.
Right.
Yeah, perfect.
I think these are larger than these are extra large.
Either or. One of these, right? Alright, like I said, five parts. You want to measure by weight when you're mixing this, okay? So, we don't have a scale. I'm gonna eyeball it. It's not critical. It's not like we have. We
You want
create
to
some,
use the ink scale?
not anymore. Actually, probably not a bad idea.
Okay.
Let's do it. Is it something I gotta bring over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a sec.
You want to tear the container? Or do you need to do that? Or?
No.
No. Too much power. Well, you want to.
I want to zero it out.
Yeah.
I gotta get the weight and then I gotta zero it out.
Well, I think take that off first. Okay, good. Set it on.
I need the
5 grams.
I need to know what the gram is.
Yeah. Oh, you need to know what this gram
Yeah, I
is?
need to know what this
So,
weighs.
even with the container?
Yeah, I'll be so close enough. Alright, so I need to weigh. So I need to divide that by 5. You got a calculator on you?
Do whatever you can.
Okay. Five parts of.
I'm going to round up 314 divided by 5. 62.
Alright, so
63.
I gotta add 63 grams of this. Now you gotta zero it out.
Yeah. Hold up.
Close enough. Okay? I'm gonna put a cap to this over there. So we need we just wanna just mix it up. It's gonna get you weren't here, Dave. You remember how clumpy it was?
Yep.
When we mix the calories with it, more of an even.
Okay.
All right. So you just want to mix it up really good. Okay. Now we get these quarts. My guys usually mix 2 quarts at a time. We go to Home Depot and we get these mixing.
Okay.
Then we buy these lids, okay? You can't use like a ketchup bottle or anything because you can't get all the excess glue out of here, and once it dries like a hot dog. All right. So we just use these lids here. Now, a lid on there, all right, but I don't trust it. We always tape it, okay? So, just for added security so the lid doesn't fall off when we're using it. And I just do that. And then I'll take a piece of tape. And I'll just put where I cut my opening here. Okay? Because we're gonna have drip marks. I made this cut with a utility knife. I made the opening for it. And as big as small as you want. Okay? So for fixing the screens, right? Whether you're fixing it or if you're touching up, okay? This here we gotta fix. Do you happen to grab those four that we need to touch up?
They're over by my desk.
Alright, grab them when you get a chance. Yeah. Do the next one here. Grab. I'll wait. You want to pause it? I'll wait till you get